Is the weather making your hair frizzy? Luckily, there are many all-natural home remedies to help you maintain smooth, stylish locks. Argan oil, for example, seals in moisture. Just massage a few drops through your hair. Olive oil can also help by locking in hydration after your shower. Apply a teaspoon directly to your scalp. Coconut oil is great for moisturizing frizzy areas and can be left in for a few minutes or overnight. Additionally, a mixture of honey and yogurt can nourish your hair when left on for 15 minutes. Aloe vera gel, egg treatments, mashed bananas, and avocado are excellent for hydration and shine. For added benefits, try rice water or an apple cider vinegar rinse to strengthen your hair. Remember to limit washing to 2 to 3 times a week. Use cool water to wash your hair and towel dry with a microfiber cloth to avoid damage. Lastly, consider reducing the use of heat styling tools to prevent further dryness and frizz.